OBOTUTUKANU kwanikigwa ase CHISUKURU abana bakora amatemwa a grade 6 ase bono abange babo bakwimurungania niyo wizara y'ekisemi yaimukire getambukero gyokobamanye abaibori igoro yo gusonsora omuchando yo kagukwana ase Omoyega Bw'Ogosieka Omwaka Bw'Abarookia korwa ase nsemo yebunge yabobasi inse yabobasi Teachers Welfare School yabamuraya Nyamache nigo bisa Quality Assurance ime sub-county ya Teso North Geoffrey Ochenge abolirie abaibori kogenda asabateneneri b'ekisukuru ekyo barangirirwa na guchenja korwa aroro ase nchira y'omutandao eikiyiga.
We will win this seat. Sawa. We will win. I'm telling you today. Historical matter will tell us when we come together in we will do what? The game is what? Are we having the same voice as it was before? Do we feel represented as teachers? When we hear about transfers
from our colleagues here requesting to support them so that they can get their children to be placed in some specific senior schools. But allow me to bring it to your attention that one is in the docket of the heads of institutions of the junior school. And therefore, sensitize our parents who are discontented to visit the junior schools where those learners start their KGSA and request the head of the institution to initiate the transfer request online. And then once they have initiated, us at sub-county level, we shall approve. If it is that category of institution is in category C4. But if it is in category C3, the county directors of education will approve depending on the capacity. If it is in C3, the regional directors of education will approve. So it must begin with the head of the institution. Please, the other says that is understand. Now, that until you children school area someone assessment, that head of the institution, I initiate the process online on the portal. We will go to the name of the learner, the assessment number, click there, go to transfer. There is an area for transfer, and that one now it will break up to headquarters, and we will be able to assist them. Gonna matter. Now, like initiated online, there is no much I can do. So let us sensitize our parents, and they should do it within this week.